Hey chili pepper lovers! Welcome to our new channel dedicated to all things chili. Chili peppers, not chili the meat dish, although I love that too. But here you'll find all things hot and spicy and related to chili peppers. If you're a chili pepper lover, you are a unique part of this planet we get to inhabit. Chilies make this place more delicious. On this channel, we'll be sharing videos on growing your own perfect healthy chili pepper plants. We'll be featuring unique chili pepper varieties. This season, we're growing over 75, so we're going to have lots of spiciness to share. And if we're not growing it, we want to, so we would love to hear any recommendations from all of you chili pepper lovers. Plus, we'll have lots of delicious spicy food dishes and snacks featured, and we'll be sharing some of our favorite spicy go-tos. So follow along as we spice it up.